Welcome. If you want to take more control over your Pinterest experience and stop Pinterest from using a specific board to personalize your recommendations, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off personalization for any existing Pinterest board. Quick, simple, and right from your mobile app. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you'll see several tabs at the top of your profile. Tap on the Boards tab to view all your boards in one place. Scroll through your boards and tap on the one you want to adjust. This will open up the board and show all the pins you've saved there. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the three dots. This is the Options menu. Tap those three dots to open up more settings for your board. From the menu that pops up, select Edit Board. This will take you to the board's settings page, where you can change its name, description, and privacy options. Here's the key step. Look for the toggle labeled Personalization. This setting controls whether Pinterest uses this board to help personalize your experience and recommendations. If the toggle is on, Pinterest will use your activity on this board to suggest pins and content. To turn this off, simply tap the toggle so it switches to the off position. Once you've toggled off personalization, don't forget to tap Done in the top corner to save your changes. That's it. Personalization for this board is now disabled, and Pinterest will stop using it to tailor your recommendations. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other boards you want to update. This is a great way to keep your Pinterest feed focused on what you truly care about, while keeping certain boards from influencing your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more personalized Pinterest experience on your terms.